Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I present to you another package. This time we're going to probably just rip it from the sticky side, just because it seems to be easier that way. Okay, I should have just used a knife. Oh, nice. Oh, what? What is this? Huh. You just gave me a free disc? That's nice. Look at that. Nice little free disc. A free clef. Very nice. Just check the integrity. There's some dust. I can clean it out. I'm not going to put these in any of the players, any of the used ones, especially in players, until I thoroughly kind of clean them out. Look at that. Here we go. This is what I was looking for from the start. Before I got my previous Twinkle, I was looking for this one, but ended up confusing myself which one I wanted, which one was it, and after I ordered the other one, I was like, wait, this isn't it. This is it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I got previously. See, there's a little bit of a difference. This one I think is an older generation. This one's a new generation. They're still Twinkles, they still got colors, probably the same color disc. There's this white spot here compared to this is just this big ass yellow, big ass 80. Not that there's an issue, I just was looking for two different styles, or a different style than this one. What is this? So there's more to open on this, huh? Oh, there's even a little thank you card. How cute. Okay, let's check it out. Cool. The final, oh wait. This was in the back. I want to check this out. Oh, a little tiny sticker. Yeah. I want to have more mini disc swag. So if, I don't know, if any of you guys have any mini disc swag to send me, just let me know. I'd love to take some mini disc swag. Like stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Here it is. Without the other piece of cellophane. Yeah, so I don't know. If I can read Japanese, I'd probably tell you the dates on these, but I can't. I might have to Google end it. But these are cool. This is what I got last time, so we're focusing on this one today. Yeah. I want to open these, but I'm just going to wait for a different day, because I need to find a place for all of them once I open them. So right now they're nice and sealed in their containers until I decide to put them in a better location or something. Very cool stuff. I'm happy I got this one. I'm worried it would be less easy to find. It is kind of hard to find, especially as open set like an unopened set like this. This was not cheap, and neither was this. Both of them were not pocket friendly. I save a little bit for the hobby. Oh, this one's already open. Oh no, this one's open. Why did they do that? I didn't do that, did I? Crazy. Well, if it's open, then might as well open the rest. No, keep it the way it is for right now. Anyway, that was that. Thanks for hanging out.